show you how to set up your automation in Trainers Kit so that you can easily navigate and do it yourself. So the first thing you need to do is to create a tag. So where you can create a tag is you come to TK Sales Funnel Tools here. You come down to tag. Wait for it. Okay. So here we have the tag. So we already made some tag for you and then we've attached them to the landing pages and to the funnels. But this is just me showing you how you can create yours. So what you need to do is to come down to this place and create your tag. I'm going to name it new tag. So once you're done creating it, writing the name, then you click add new tag. Okay, here we have our new tag and it says it's zero count. So once we have this new tag, the next thing we need to do is to go to our page, our landing page, and add this new tag to our landing page. So we're going to go to our page, come down to pages, click on it, then click on all pages. So already we've created pages for you. So in this video, I won't cover how to create a page, but I'm just showing you how to do your automation. So we have a freebie page which we've created for you already. Then what you need to do is to come down to this freebie page, then click on edit with Elementor. So I'm going to create a new tab. Let's delete this tab. Okay, so we have, so this is the backend for the landing page or the freebie page. So we've already designed the freebie page. What we need to do is to attach our tag to this form so that anyone that's fill in their name and email address here will be tagged with that particular tag. So what we need to do is to, once you are on this page, come to your form here where you have the button, click on it. So this place is going to change. We see form field. So I want you to go straight down to where you see Grandog. So if you didn't see Grandog, you come down to action after submit. You click on it, then you put your cursor here, then scroll down, then you find Grandog. You can click on it there. So I'm going to go do that again. I'm going to scroll down and look for Grandog. So here we have Grandog. So once you do that, then you see Grandog here. Then click on Grandog. Already I've attached a tag to this form, but I'm going to add the new one that we created. So I'm going to look for the new one, which is called new tag. So I have it over there. So you will need to ensure you map this place. This place is already mapped. So click on it to make sure it is full name. Then this place, click on it and make sure it is email address. Once that is done, all you need to do is to click on updates. Once you're on updates, you can come down to this place and click exit to dashboard, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to come back to my pages here. Okay, so we've attached our tag to our landing page. Then the next thing we need to do is to create our automation funnel. So we're going to come back to T and K sales funnel tools. Then we click on it. Then we come down to our funnel over here and click on funnels. Okay, so we are now under funnel. So we've created about four different funnels for you: the general list building funnel, the product launch funnel, the webinar funnel, and the evergreen funnel. So I've explained how to edit your way uh, in this funnel in another video, how to edit this funnel in another video. But what I'm doing in this video is to teach you how to start from scratch. So we are starting from scratch in building our funnel and our automation funnel. So what you need to do is to come to add new over here, click on add new. Then so once you click on add new, you will come down to this place. So we are starting from scratch. Here are templates that you can use, although we've already created more template for you, but we're going to start from scratch. So let's start building. Okay, so what you need to know about this place is, I'm going to delete this guys first, then delete this place as well. Okay, so for a funnel to start working, there are two things: there are conditions and there are actions, or it's a benchmark or action. So for us to start this funnel, we're going to click on it. There has to be, so we have benchmark and action. So it, for a funnel to start, there needs to be a condition before that funnel can start with automatically. So the condition we want to apply in this funnel is that anyone that is added to that particular tag that we created will receive the following sequence of automation or the following sequence of emails. So right here we have different benchmark which are conditions, but we have this one called tag applied. So I'm going to click on it. So you see here that run when any of these tag are applied. So I'm going to add the tag that we created, new tag. Once that is done, so whatever we have under this condition will run smoothly. Anyone that is attached to this tag will receive whatever we created under this condition. So the next step is to go to action. Actions are the things that we want to happen when that condition is met. So the first action we will need to create is to send an email. So anyone that registered or opt-in their email into our landing page should receive a welcome email first. So I'm gonna name this welcome email. So now I should have said that you should create your email before, but no worries, you can create your email from this place. So if you have an email already created, you can search for them over here. But if you don't have an email created already, what you can do is to create a new email. So we are creating a new email. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we have a new email. So this is how your email will show up. All you need to do is to come down to this place and edit. You can highlight everything and delete them, and then copy and paste what you have. So I'm okay with what I have here. Then come down to this place and add a catchy subject. subject line. Yeah. So, and always make sure you name your email. So I'm going to name this welcome email. So once that is done, um, and that is all you need around here. So you need to come to this status here. Your email is in draft, so you need to take it to ready. If your email is in draft, it's not going to fire. So, but when it isn't ready, it's going to fire. It's going to go. So then we click on create. Okay, so we've created our email. Then we can do a preview from this place to see how our email is going to look like. So here is a preview of how it's going to look like on phone, how it's going to look like on on tablet. So then we can go. So I'm okay with it. Then I click on cancel. So right now my email is ready. What is it? Okay, welcome email. Yeah, it's ready. So that is it with welcome email. So what I'm going to do next is to click on and add a delay timer. So I want to say, okay, between this email and the next email I'm going to send, let it be a delay of 1 day, 1 minute, 1 hour, depends on what. So I'm going to click 1 day. I want a 1 day interval. So and it's going to run immediately. So the next I'm going to click on another email, and then so I can edit what's going to be in this email. I will say, oh, show them value. So you want to send valuable message or emails to your lead, to your email list. So if I have an email I've created, I can just click and add. But since I don't have any, I can just create a new one. Yeah, so let me just click, look for an email that I want to add. Let me add an email, lead magnet 3. Okay, so I have an email then. I'm okay with that. So you can go on, adding delay timer and adding um, emails to. So if you want at some point after, okay, maybe you say after my leads I've gotten 3 emails, hmm, I'm going to say this will be a date timer. So the next email that we go to them, we should go on a particular date in future. So maybe in the next, maybe the following month or the following week, depends. So you can just click the date here and then the time that you want. If you want it AM or PM. So, and over here you can say, okay, it said if the date has passed, means it should pass through, yes, or you can skip to a particular section underneath. So there's no section underneath, that's why it's showing the result. Once I add a new section, let me add email. Okay, let me come back to this place. So once I have a new section, it should show. I have a section here. Okay, maybe I'm yet to add an email. Let me add an email. Hmm. Let me add something, another, let me add a delay timer. Then add an email. So just want to show you that this thing works. Why? Okay, no problem. Let me see this. So you can say stop funnel. You can say pass through, or skip. Okay, so yeah, it shows. So we can just say skip to step 9 and show. We can say skip to step 10. So depend on what you really want. So and once you're done, you can just come over to this place and change, give your funnel a name. So let's just say first funnel. And then the most important thing right here is to move it from inactive to active, so that once anyone that's um fill, filling the opt-in form will start receiving your emails, and then you need to click on save to ensure that you save all. So if you are seeing a message like this, it means one of your emails are in drafts or you don't have an email in there. So you need to go check back on it. But for now, I'm okay with what I have, so I can just say bye. So that is it about creating your automation funnel or your automation sequence. So the next thing I'm going to show you is to how you can create a broadcast email. So what you need to do is to come down to broadcast over here under TK Sales Funnel 2. Click on broadcast. So you come down up here to schedule email broadcast. Now, so you need to have your email ready under emails here, or if you don't have your email ready, you can create a new one, which I've shown you before. So we're going to select a particular email that we want it to go out. Then we're going to select a tag. So you must have your list under a tag or your leads under a particular tag before you can send a broadcast. So we're going to look for a list that has more people. Okay, this has 8 contacts in it. Then we're going to click on it. So you say this place says, but exclude contacts that have any or of the following. So if you want to exclude any contact that is in this place that you don't want them to receive the email you're sending, you can add those tag around here. Let me just say I have about 7 people in this lead magnet that are in this place that I don't want them to receive the email. So send now to immediately, or you can schedule day and the time, or you can click send now. So once you're done with that, then you can click schedule broadcast. Then we're gonna have a review here to just to show you, oh, this is what you're sending. Lead magnet, subject line, sending time, and the total recipient. Then you click on send to all contacts. So once you have that, wait till it's complete 100%, and that is done. So you're gonna wait. So with that, that is how you can send your um, broadcasts and how you can create your automation. So if you want to create your emails in bulk, you can come down to emails over here. So come up here and click add new email, add new. Then you can give your email a title, give it a subject line, then write your email. always ensure that your email is on ready, not draft, ready. Then you click on create. Okay, says I should paste email. Okay, let me add test subjects. And that is it with creating your email. Then you can always go back. So you can always come back to email. Okay, so that is it with how to create your automation email, how to send broadcast, how to create tags, and how to create emails. So if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.